Hi, this is Chris Rose with Impulse Advanced Communications, and today we are going to demo ClearStar MobileLink. MobileLink is an application on your iPhone or Android or BlackBerry phone that allows you to make calls from your cell phone and look like you're using your office phone. So we'll go ahead and launch the app MobileLink, which is a free download in the iTunes Store. And it looks like a normal dialer on your iPhone, but it allows you to do things like check your history. So this is showing all your business history calls, not your personal cell calls. It allows us to do a company directory, so you can type in an employee's name and it will search the entire phone system to find any instances of that user, so you can press to call them. And finally, it has a call settings area where you can configure things like no answer, busy, call forward always, and do not disturb. What I want to demonstrate today is how you can just dial an extension and it will use MobileLink to call that individual, and it'll look like you called from your business phone. It does require just a little bit of internet connection to make the call, but it is actually using cellular to transmit all the audio. So we'll go ahead and call Lee 6364, hit dial, and actually it launches the normal cellular dialer, but Lee is going to think I'm calling from my business phone.
Impulse, this is Lee.
Hey Lee, how you doing? I'm just demoing MobileLink. So we're chatting with Lee, and Lee sees that I'm calling from my business line. One of the advantages of doing this, not only does Lee look like I'm calling from the office, but if you take a look at my own Polycom, so this is the Polycom on my desk, this Polycom is monitoring a set of users. One of the users happens to be Lee, so I can look down and say, oh, Lee's on the phone, and you actually see that I'm on the phone as well. We can actually press on Lee's extension, and we can see who Lee is talking to, and it actually shows that Lee is talking to Chris, but Chris's business line, not his cell phone. One of the other nice advantages here is, say you're a sales manager and you have a team of outside sales reps making calls on their cell phone. You can glance down throughout the day, see how many calls they're making and who they're talking to. It will also log all of those calls into an online portal, so you can track how many calls you've made and received, even though those calls are happening on their cell phone. The final thing I want to demonstrate is how we can move a call seamlessly from our iPhone, where we started the call, over to our Polycom. So say we made the call while we were out of the office, but we get back to the desk and want to use our nice HD Polycom with video to make the call. We just dial *11, make that call, and it will instantly move the call over to the Polycom, and now we're doing a video call with Lee. How you doing, Lee?
I'm doing fantastic.
All right, thanks. That was Chris Rose demoing the Impulse MobileLink feature. To learn more, you can visit impulse.net